Hey, what's up everyone? If you are tired of overpaying for car insurance, this video is for you. Do you want to save hundreds of dollars, maybe even thousands without cutting corners or your coverage? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how. Today, I'll be showing all the tips, tricks, hacks on getting cheap car insurance. So if you live in Chicago and you want to save some money on your car insurance, you got to watch this video until the very end. So when you click on the link in the description, it will take you to this page and it will ask you some basic questions in order to determine what is the best company for you. So first question is, do you currently have car insurance? The answer is yes. If you don't, you can press no. What is your current insurer? If it is any of these on the list, you select them. If it's not on the list, you can press other. Also, how long have you been insured with your current insurer? So if you have been overpaying for 3 years, 2 to 3, 1 to 2, that is what you select. Let's select 2 to 3 years. Next question is, what is your zip code? This is very important simply because this is one of the big factors that determine how much you pay for car insurance. In the city, there are many different zip codes and every zip code has a different rate. If you live closer to downtown where there are a lot more accidents, chances are your insurance will be higher. But if you live away from the city where there's less traffic, less accidents, chances are your insurance will be lower. But obviously you have to put in the zip code that you live in. Once you enter in your zip code, we're simply going to press continue. And now it will ask us about our vehicle. This is simple. Every person has a different car, so I will just put in some info for the vehicle that I currently have. Alright, so what is your vehicle model? We are going to press Ford Focus. What is your primary use of your vehicle? Commute, pleasure, business. This also depends on you. I'm gonna press pleasure. Would you like to add another vehicle? If you have 2 vehicles, a motorcycle or a boat or anything like that, you want to press yes. Simply because once you bundle, your premium will be lower, so you'll be able to save even more money. But if you're just insuring one vehicle, then simply press no. Then right here, it will ask you to put in your name. Once you have entered in your first and last name, press continue. Next question is, do you own or rent your home? If you rent, press rent. If you live with family, press live with family, or if you own, press own. Then it will ask you any accidents or tickets in the last 3 years. So obviously answer truthfully because most of these insurance companies, they are able to see your driving record anyway. So we're going to press no. What is your credit score? This is another thing that the insurance companies are able to see anyway. So you want to be truthful. One thing that I do want to mention, the higher your credit score, the lower your car insurance will be. This is one of those things that car insurance companies didn't care about a couple of years back. Now the insurance companies definitely look at your credit score. So we are going to press excellent. And now you are going to enter in your birthday. And we are going to press continue. Right here, it will ask you, where do you park your car overnight? So we are going to enter in our address and it will ask us, have you lived in this address for at least 60 days? Which is yes. So let me quickly enter in my address. Once your address is entered, you're simply going to press continue. Would you like to add another driver? This is where you answer yes or no. If you're going to add your husband, your wife, your girlfriend, or whoever, you can press yes. Or you can simply press no and get your quotes. We are not adding anyone to our insurance policy, so we're going to press next. As you can see, we got 2 offers that are offering great prices. One of them is being Progressive, the other one is the Zebra. As you can see, it gave us 2 offers. Obviously, depending on your zip code, you can get 2 offers, 5 offers, or 10 offers. But in my zip code, these 2 are the cheapest, Progressive and the Zebra. So to view your rate, you're simply going to press view rate. It will automatically take you to the offer that Progressive is giving you. As you can see, Progressive has given me a very good offer. So right now, if I go with this offer, it will cost me $276 for 6 months, or I can pay monthly as well. First month, it will be $22.08. Then every month after that, it will cost me $57.18. So $57 a month, or to pay in full for 6 months, it will only cost me $276, almost taking off an entire month. Obviously, this is not full coverage. If we scroll down, you will see all the coverages that have been applied. So this is what I currently have, and this is what I currently want. I do have an older car, so it is not worth putting on full coverage for a car that's worth like $2,000-$3,000. So that is how easy it is to get cheap car insurance. Now all you got to do is finish and buy. But like I said, depending on your zip code and your address will determine how many offers you end up getting. You might get 10 different offers, you might get 5, but whichever offer you get, you want to view the rate, you want to check it out to see if it's less than what you are currently paying. So that is how simple and easy it is to use this car insurance comparison tool. So there you have it. Finding cheap car insurance doesn't have to be a hassle. It doesn't have to take days, especially with the car insurance comparison tool that I just showed you in this video. The link will be in the description box below. And remember, the best way to get cheap car insurance is to compare. Never settle for the first offer. Always see all your options before you pick the right one. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comment section below how much money did this tool save you on your car insurance. See you in the next video. Peace out.